ahead and submerging my bristle into the monomer. Pick up the beads. Place it like closer to the cuticles area. And tuck it in. This one will look really good even if you are doing for ombre as well. And always taper in the side. And then you can also doing it with this beads. Usually is good fit perfect with like a shorter or longer nails. It's just like really nice and long nails. Pick up more. And it's so easy to do. To pick up the beads, there's no runny or it dry fast at all for you. Taper in. Pick up a little bit on the end. How's everyone doing on Friday? Today Friday, right? Somehow I thought today is Thursday. Pick up a little bit more. The glitter is so beautiful. It's like 3-dimension. You wait until we are going to cap it with the crystal clears, and then also with the matte or shiny top coat, whatever you choose to finish the nails. So now I'm gonna cap it with the crystal clear. Really thin crystal clear for inside the nails. And till the nails down. And let the gravity do all the work for you. Only I need to do is a taper on the side. And guided it. So then that way your nail's gonna stay really nice and it's not bulky at all. Okay. Going to the number 3.